Welcome to JC Stocks and Markets podcast for September 9th, 2023. It's already September. I'm JC. I've been investing in the stock market for 40 plus years. My intentions with the podcast are to share my thoughts and opinions on some stock and ETF picks with an emphasis on dividend paying securities. I just want to share investment ideas so that you and I can maybe make a buck. Not doing this for money from anyone. I'm doing it for fun. I like it. The opinions shared here are my own. They're just that, opinions. I invest in many of the stocks and ETFs that are featured in these podcasts, and not the one today. But I may buy into this if it drops a little further. Disclaimer: do your own due diligence before investing in anything. With that, let's go make some money. The stock I want to talk about today is Black Hills Corporation. BKH is the ticker symbol. Basically, it's an electric and natural gas utility company in the United States that operates in Colorado, Montana, South Dakota, Wyoming. More or less a little over 1 million natural gas customers and 220,000 electric utility customers. They've been around for some time, 1941, and this company, it's been a very steady player. It's not growing a lot, but the areas that they're in, South Dakota, Montana, Wyoming, Colorado, influx of people, and with that would be influx of customers. I think you're going to see some growth in this thing just naturally, and I like the stock. You can see from this next slide, Black Hills is about a $3.5 billion corporation. Earnings per share about $3.70, pays $2.50, and in the next slide I'll show you some of the long-term dividend growth that I really like in this company. This, with the just the natural growth of the company, right now revenues and earnings per share are growing at low single digits per year. But as people move into those northern Midwest area, I think you're going to see that the Black Hills demand is going to increase, and that will of course stimulate revenue and profits. But I like this. This part of the stock is the dividends. The dividends are quarterly, and it's 40 plus years of dividend growth for this company, and it pays well over 5%, and it's growing almost yearly. They try to bump it up every year, as you can see. If you do a long-term scan of this of the dividends, you'll see that they try to bump it every year by a few percent. This chart from Yahoo Finance is one I like too. Company right now, it's been falling over the past couple of years, but it's at the lower end of the Bollinger Bands. It's at the lower end of stochastics. I think technically it's set up for a bounce, and I think that we're going to see that. I piece in starting at about $54 a share, and then go from there. Little by little, let it ride up to at least $60 a share. I think long term you're going to see that and beyond. This chart is from Fidelity, but what you can see with this one is that they also have some additional information that the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, is below 50. They're seeing that it's a somewhat bullish indicator, and that if it goes up, you're going to see Black Hills go higher, BKH again. They also say on this chart, it says short term rebound towards $59.20. That's a technical analysis they have. But then they say a downside, their preference or downside breakout would take it to 52.30 to 51.2. And that's what I'm saying. Start at 54, piece in little by little, and build your position if you're going to do it. That's how I plan to do it. I haven't done it yet, but I plan to. With that, I hope you like Black Hills, or I don't hope you like it. I hope it stimulates you to take a look at it. I'm going to keep doing my diligence on it. With that, I hope you like the intro and outro song. It's from a band I used to play in, Just One Goat. The song is She's the One, has some real meaning to me, and the band made it, I think successful as far as that song goes. I love it. Enjoy the weekend, enjoy your investing, and I hope to see you again. Thanks for listening. Bye now.
I know I'm not that beautiful, but I know my way back home. A loving girl is physical, but I never have to roam. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. Everything is magical, even when she's not around. No, it's not that radical, I just know what I have found. Well, she's always there for me. It's simple, can't you see? She's the one. Oh, she's the one. She's making my life so much stronger. God, let me stay just a little bit longer. She's the one. Yeah, she's the one. Yeah. There were a few before you, but I really didn't care. I thought I had that feeling, now I know it wasn't there. It really is a crime, I've wasted all